Okay, YouTube, here we go again. Keeping people from uploading videos. Here we go. One more time. We're going to try this one more time. This time I'm recording the whole fucking thing. I am sick of this shit. Let's go in here. Go over here. Another window. Upload. Okay. Here we go. One more damn time. You see the video? Drag and drop. I'll try something different. All the way together. See if this works. Sorry it's taking so long, but hey, we're recording it. We're gonna make sure it either does or doesn't this time. But I can tell you right now what's gonna work. Go here. Nope, it ain't gonna work. Shit didn't load it. So what's the deal, folks? Huh? What's the deal? Okay, there you go. You see it one more time. Watch it. Here it goes. Boom. Just like I told you. It's the same old thing. I was trying to show y'all the last video. Now I'm making another one. Found some more stuff while I was trying to upload this. Some photos and some other stuff that you can go look at. It's I don't know, it's still my opinion, people. It's just my opinion. But if I was y'all, I wouldn't live nowhere near that place. And thank God I don't. Even if I didn't have the money, I'd be getting out of there somehow. I don't know what the boat story was, but it was in the photos, and I didn't catch it till the second one. Sorry. But, you know, there's coming up a little clip here of actual the live event, which is coming up right now in just a second. Well, it's coming up right now. And you can actually see how massive that explosion, it's just gas burning in the air, basically. It was probably an explosion at first, and now it's just gas burning in the air. What's causing that? Don't know. Do I think it has anything to do with the sinkhole? Can't answer that either. Might have something to do with the tremors of the earthquakes that, you know, the little tremors they're having from the ground moving. That's a possibility. Is that what caused it? I don't know. My opinion is I wouldn't live there, folks. I'd get away from down there. Best way I could. Much love to y'all. Y'all have a good night, okay? And please, God, y'all get out of there. If y'all can, move.